square roots. So square root is basically the number times itself, only it's like division and not multiplication. So 0 times what equals 0? 0, because 0 times 0 equals 0. 64, 88, 64. 121, I told you this fact, it's 11. 81, it's 9. 250, 2,500. 5 have 25, 2 zeros is 2 50s. So that means 50. 50 times 50 equals 2,500. 10 is 100. It's a classic fact. Is a classic. 256 equals So the answer for this one is 16, because 6 is 36, which got this part. Oh, and this one is 17. This one, 400, it's 20. 2 is 4, and 0, 0. So 20. 90, it's not exact. So we know that 9 times 10 equals 90. That's why it's equal to this. And then in the answer to this is it's this, so 310, like that. And 361, it's 19, because it has 9981, so it has just enough to make about 20, but it's not. 324 equals probably 18. So now we have 4 squared times 16 squared. So I know how to handle this one. So first we need to square both of them. So 4 squared is 2 times 16 squared is 4, and 2 times 4 equals 8. So that's the answer, 8. 2 square and 2 square. So what you have to do is, it's like this math. It's like 1, 2 times 1 and 2 times 1. So it's 1, 2 plus 1, 2. And what you get after that, the 2 stay the same, and you add the 2 ones together, and then you get 2, 2. I'm sorry, this doesn't look very good. Four, 5 minus 2, 5. So the 5s really just stay the same. And the 4 minus 2 part is what you have to do. So 2, 5. 6, 3 minus 12 squared. This one is a bit one of the more trickier ones. So now we're on number 16. 6, 3 minus 12 squared. So what we have to do is going to do it for 3 for this one. So then the 4 will go out here, simplify to 2, and the 3 will stay. So we have to write equals. So this stays the same. So 6, 3 minus, so I'm going to do, this is going to be 4, 3. So then this is what you get. So it is 6, 3 minus 4 squared times 3 squared. And it's equal to this because 4 times 3 is 12. And the 4 will turn into it. So we have 6 and 3 minus, so then the 4 will go 2, and then it gets outside. Then 3 will be in here. So then it goes 4, 3, which is equal to 12. Now it's 4, 8 times 8. So I'm going to do 2, 4. So we have 4, 8 times 4, 8. So we're doing multiple. So 4, 8, we get 32. So what we have to do is 8, 8, 8, they're both squared, so they equal 8. And then times 4 equals 32. So I'm going to write what that looks like. So we have 4. You get this, like 8 times 8 squared. Like 8 squared times 8 squared equals 8. Times 4, you can just do 4 times 8 equals 32 as your final answer. And 6 squared times 6, we already know equals 6. 2 squared times 8 squared. So what we have is 2, 8. So I'm going to do 2 in here. So we can get 2 in here and 4 out. So then we can do to 2 2s. So I'm going to write, so 2 times 2 times 4. It's a little hard to see the multiples, so I'm going to make it a little bigger. Equals, so 2 times 4. So we get 2 2s 4. So we got 2 squared. So and 2 squared equals 2 times 2 equals 4 right here. So then we have 3 times 2 3. So we can times these together and times these together. So we can get 3 times 3 squared. 3 squared times 3 squared equals 3. And 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 equals 18. So the final answer is 18. But just before I write the final, we have 6 by getting 3 times 2. Multiple this 3 square equals, so this is 3, this is 6. Put them together and you get 18. 25 squared times 64. This is a more standard one. You just have to square this, 5, square this, 8. 5 times 8 equals 40. And 5 squared times 5 squared equals 5